Have you ever wondered how Netflix predicts what you will learn when watching next? Or how a self-driving car can navigate streets safely? What about medical diagnoses that are becoming more accurate with time? The answer to all these amazing tech advancements lies in statistics. Yes, statistics, the mathematical backbone that makes artificial intelligence and machine learning possible. In this course, we will demystify statistics and show you how it powers the intelligent systems that are transforming the world. Statistics isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding data, making predictions, and drawing insight that fuel innovation. Throughout this series, you will learn how to harness the power of statistics. We will cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques, ensuring you have a solid foundation to build upon. Here's what you can expect. We will start with the basics, understanding different types of data, measures of central tendency and dispersion. Then we will dive into the probability theory, where you will learn how to make sense of uncertainty and randomness. As we progress, we will explore hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and even more advanced methods like principal component analysis and clustering techniques. I will provide real-world examples, hands-on exercises, and valuable resources to help you grasp these concepts effectively. By the end of this course, you will not only understand statistics principles behind artificial intelligence and machine learning, but also be able to apply them to solve real-world problems. Imagine being able to design better recommendation systems, improve the accuracy of predictive models, or even contribute to cutting-edge artificial intelligence research, all by mastering statistical tools you will learn here. So, are you ready to dive into the world of statistics and transform your understanding of artificial intelligence and machine learning? Hit that subscribe button, follow along with the series, and get started on this incredible journey together. By the end of this course, I promise you will see the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning through a whole new lens. So stay tuned and let's make the complex world of statistics simple and exciting. Welcome to Statistics for Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning.